Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting both PlayStation 5 consoles ready. Make sure both are updated to the latest system software and signed into the same PSN account. Once done, connect them to the same local network, preferably with Ethernet, because wired transfers are faster and more reliable than wireless. Make sure both consoles have stable power and that the target PS5 has enough free storage to receive data. Now switch each console to rest or normal mode per prompts, so the transfer option appears in settings. You now begin the actual transfer sequence by opening Settings, then System Software, and selecting Data Transfer. Follow the on-screen prompts to identify the source and the target console. Once the consoles recognize each other, choose exactly which games, apps, saved data, and user data you want to move so you avoid unnecessary files. Make sure you confirm large installs and patches too, because the transfer moves installed packages. Once selections are set, start the transfer and monitor estimated time displayed. You finish by waiting for the transfer to complete. Do not power off, disconnect Ethernet, or interrupt the process because that can corrupt data. Once the consoles confirm completion, sign back into PSN on the target and verify game saves and licenses. If something goes wrong, restart both consoles, reconnect via Ethernet, and repeat the transfer. Make sure both systems are updated and that the target has enough space. Finally, re-download any missing DLC or licenses from your library if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.